Akoshia's tasty recipe. Tasty recipe.
Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how I make my Indomie fried noodles. Okay, this is very simple and delicious, so please stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to prep my ingredients. So I'm going to slice some beef sausage, red onion, fresh tomatoes, and scallions. Please feel free to use any protein of your choice and also add any vegetables that you prefer, okay?
Brighter, we taking you higher. We killing the vibe, we no go retire. Any food you they want to go get, anything you they want to go get. Yeah, we killing the vibe, yeah, we killing the vibe, yeah. Akosia recipe, we get the recipe. Akosia recipe, we give you recipe. Akosia recipe.
So at this point, I'm done chopping the ingredients, so I'll set it aside, and then in a bowl I'll add 2 eggs, and then go ahead and add salt and then Indomie spice. Please feel free to add any spices of your choice. So once everything goes in, I'll give it a good mix and then set it aside. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cook the noodles. So in a pot, I'll add 2 cups of hot water, and then I'll go ahead and add 2 packs of noodles, then cover and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, the noodles is done. So I'll go ahead and turn off the flame and then strain the hot water and set it aside. In a frying pan, I'll add some cooking oil and then go ahead and add my sliced sausage. I will stir until it's golden brown. So at this point, the sausage is fully cooked. So I'll get everything and then put it in a bowl and set it aside. So in the same pot with the same oil, I'm going to add half of my vegetables and then stir fry for a few minutes. Then I'll go ahead and add all my Indomie spice. So it's about 2 packs, right? Yes, I won't be adding salt because this has some salty taste in there. So I'm just going to use all the spices, okay? Then I'll stir everything together and then go ahead and add my noodles. Yes, then give it a really good mix. But before then, I'm going to add some hot sauce to increase that heat in there. If you don't have hot sauce, you can use the chili powder or anything that can make it spicy for you, okay? If you don't like it hot too, you can skip that. So I'm going to stir everything together, and then once it's well mixed, I'll just put it in a bowl and set it aside. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fry the eggs. So in the pot, I added oil and then I'll add the remaining vegetables, then stir fry for a few minutes. Then I'll go ahead and add my eggs, then I'll top up with the sausage, okay? Then I'll allow it to fry.
Recipe, we go give you recipe. Banku, shita, kenke, ebedi, ediane, plenty.
At this point, the egg is also done, so I'll go ahead and add the stir-fried noodles and then give it a really good mix. And then yeah, the noodles is ready. I'll just serve myself and enjoy. This is a very quick and easy recipe. Yes. Okay, so with this recipe, as I said earlier, feel free to add any vegetables of your choice and any protein that you prefer, okay? But this is how I like mine. That's why I decided to share with you all. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this recipe. Please, if you do like this recipe, kindly give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share, and please leave your comment in the comment section. I will be reading and replying to you all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. To my new subscribers and to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. God bless you all. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.
I go share recipe, we go give you recipe.